yeah. Oh. Father God, me cry again. Me can't hide me pain. Please let me stay one more night on the lane. Me body weak, but my spirit still strong. Me want raise me baby, me want live long. Hey. Riri gwenzi ripi randi sina kudya shija kwandekana mudzi waro. Uri muti upi wandi sina kudya shija kwandekana mudzi wawo. Ngechipi chipatara chandakasiya zvese nemaprofita. Ngechipi chipatara chandakasiya zvese nemaprofita. Vavariro yangu yaive kuti ndirarame, itange ndarera mwana uyu. Vavariro yangu yaive kuti ndirarame, itange ndarera mwana uyu. Asizeze izvi zvakakona nyanga murapo achida. Izwi renyu ndinorinzwa mave kundidana, asi Mwari ine chichemokani. Pane chinhu chimwe chete chichanditadzisa kupinda denga mwanangu. Pane chinhu chimwe chete chichanditadzisa kupinda denga mwanangu. Jah, me beg you please, don't take me now. Me can't leave the baby, me no know. Me know me sick, me can't even stand, but me still want feed me picnic with me hand. Me heart a cry, tears them flow. Me remember every smile, me can't let go. Me say, Father God, give me a little more time. Me want to see my child grow. Me know only me sin before, but me want redemption, me beg once more. Me say me can't sleep, my body in pain, but me still call for your holy name. Pane chinhu chimwe chete chichanditadzisa kupinda denga mwanangu. Pane chinhu chimwe chete chichanditadzisa kupinda denga mwanangu. If me have to go, me beg your Lord protect the youth. Guide him step, keep him on your truth. My spirit weak, me can't fight the storm, but cover him and keep him warm. Me say me baby innocent, him no know pain, him only know smile, him no know rain. So if me leave tonight, Lord, me pray send angels for hold him every day. Me can't see tomorrow, me can't walk far, but me trust you, me know who you are. So me rest me tears on your holy throne. Me say, Father, my child, don't leave him alone. Mwari ndiri mwana wenyu, andidi kwenda ndisina kukumbira ruregerero. Me so rest in your hands, Jah take my sorrow. Kana ndafa ndichengetera mwana uyu. Amen. Amen. Yeah.